If you want to delete a chat in ChatGPT in just a few seconds, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can remove a conversation from your ChatGPT history fast and without any confusion. This is useful if you want to clean up old chats, remove something you no longer need, or simply keep your sidebar organized. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple ChatGPT tutorials, just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look at your chat history on the left side. Find the conversation that you want to delete. When you see it, click directly on that conversation so it becomes active. Now move your mouse over that chat or look for the three dots next to it. Click on the three-dot menu to open the options for that conversation. From here, you should see a Delete option. Click Delete. ChatGPT will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the chat, so don't worry if you see an extra prompt. Just click Delete again to confirm the action. And that's it. Your chat has been removed from your ChatGPT history in seconds. If you wanted to delete another conversation, you can repeat the same process for any other chat you no longer need. Keeping your workspace clean can make it much easier to find the conversations that matter most, especially if you use ChatGPT every day. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.